How to get free trial in Fubo TV. Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can get free trial on Fubo TV. So for that, just open any browser on your mobile or laptop. Just first search for Fubo TV. When you search this, just open the first link in front of you. Now here you will get an option called Start Free Trial. So just click on this. Now simply click on Next. Now here enter your credentials, your email, password, your zip code and simply click on continue. Now again click on next. Now here you will choose a plan. So as you are using free trial, so pick up the best plan. So here pick up this premium plan and simply click on continue. When you click on continue, here simply click on again next, set up your payment method, click on next and here at checked out page, just enter your card details and simply click on start free trial and your Fubo TV free start will be started. So this is the way you can use free trial in Fubo TV.